You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4.
Okay, please open your math books to page 53, página 53. Looks like this. Okay. All right, right here at the top, we have counting by fives again. You should know how to do this by now, but just to make sure, I'll do the first one with you and you do the second one by yourself. Okay, you remember how to count by fives? Here we go. These are all fives, and these are all ones. So we go 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. Okay? And then you do these ones by yourself. Go ahead. Okay? We're done with that. Next down here we have some restas. They're ocho restas. They're 8. They all do 8. 8 minus 3, 8 minus 0, 8 minus 6, and so on and so on. Now, if you've been doing your flashcards, then you should know these. All right. So go ahead and do those, and then you can go on to the next thing. Okay. Next we have this here. People are still having trouble with this, so I'm going to walk you through the whole thing. Okay. Pay attention. Here we go. They want you to make 2 summas and 2 restas out of these numbers. So let's take a look at this. We have a 5 and a 3. We can say 5 plus 3 is what? What's 5 plus 3? 5 más 3. 8, right? Ocho. Say 5 plus 3 is 8. Or we can go backwards and say 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. And down here, what can you say? Well, we have an 8 here. 8 minus 5 is 3, right? 8 menos 3 son 8 menos 5 son 3, right? So here's 8. We take away the 5. We have 3. Or we can do it this way. We can do 8 menos 3 son 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay? So you can do it that way, or you can find some others. You can do 3 minus 3, or 5 minus 3, or 5 minus 5. Just make 2 summas and 2 restas out of these numbers. Okay. Next, we have our friend the clock. Just a quick reminder. We're just going to do one of these because you should be figuring this out by now. We're looking at these hands. All right. The small hand points to the hour. The big hand points to the minute. So what time is this? It's 10 o'clock, right? Whenever this is up like this, it's 10 en punto, right? This means el punto, or o'clock, right? But it comes down here. What time is it now? Well, the little hand is between the 10 and the 11. It's después del 10, pero antes de el 11. So we go to the one that's después. It's 10. It's 10. 10 what? So it's 10 y qué? Just pointing straight down. It's 10:30. 10:30 or 10:30. So these clocks, they have the small hand, hermano pequeño, but not the big hand, hermano grande. So they want you to draw all the big hand on these 2 clocks. Make this clock say 7 and this clock say 7:30. Go ahead. Okay? And then they want you to write some numbers. We have, it says 4 10s and 2 1s. Well, 4 10s. Count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 2 1s. 41, 42, 42. Here we have 100, 7 10s, and 3 1s. So if we have 100, what's that? 100, 7 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 3 1s. We have 173, 173. Okay? And do this one by yourself. Okay, next we have on the back, we have some more sumas. If you've been doing your flashcards, your tarjetas, you should be able to do these. So go ahead and do them. Okay, then we are counting by 10s again. You ever had to do that? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on and so on. This one, we're starting at 10, we're starting at 87. So what comes next by 10s? Well, this number here, the 8, goes up. So this is 87, 87. What's next by 10s? Por 10. 97. Then what? 107, 107. Then what? 117. 127, 137, see how this works? 87, 97, 107, 117, 127, 137, and you can figure these out by yourself, right? I'm sure you can. Next we have these, and according to your homework, you people are understanding this, so that's good. So if we have 700, so we have 7 here, 700, 4 700s, 4 10s, and 8 1s, what number is that? 748. See that? Right. Now do this one by yourself. Okay? Next we have some sumas, and they're a little bit longer than the ones we've done before now. Up till now, all our sumas have had 2 numbers. These sumas have 3 numbers. And you may be there going, oh no, 3 numbers! It's not that big a deal, I promise you. You just take them one at a time. So we have, I'll show you. We have 3 plus 3 plus 2. What's 3 más 3? What's 3 plus 3? 3 plus 3 is 6. And then 6 plus 2 is 8. See how that works? You just do it one piece at a time. If we have 4 plus 2 plus 1, 4 más 2 más 1, son qué? Is what? Well, what's 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2 is 6. What's 6 plus 1? 7, right? Just do it one piece at a time. So I'll do the second one with you again. What's 5 plus 0? 5 más 0. 5, right? 5. Plus 1 más 1 is 6. Is 6. 5 plus 0 plus 1 is 6. All right, then there at the bottom, there are some clocks. We've already been over clocks today, so you should be able to do this all by yourself without any help from me. Go ahead and do that, and then when you're done with that, then you're done with your math for the day. Good job, you. So when you're done, you put this away, and you can go on to your English.